I just want to do a quick review on a free Forex academy I found online from Saad Ali. It's called Forex Beginners Academy. Now, I've tried a lot of stuff over the last 12 months to learn Forex. I've paid monthly fees to a company to learn Forex. The training was good, but there were still things missing. Now, I've discovered this free training from Saad, and it covers everything you could possibly want to know, from support, resistance, to trend lines, to channels, to Fibonacci, to EMAs. It covers a whole lot. It's a real deal. It's the best training I've had ever in the 12 months I've been doing Forex and trying to find the best academy. This is just by far the best. And the good thing is, it's free, absolutely free. You can, I know how to read charts on using TradingView now. I know how the market goes. I can read everything. I can follow the market. It's really taught me everything I need to know about trading Forex. And if I can learn it, anyone can. I highly recommend going to Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali and just sign up and go through the training. You can also join a private members Facebook group there, and you can post your chart markups, and he'll review them and tell you how they are. That's awesome. Awesome. I love the training. I've gone through it twice now. I'm going through it a third time, and I just love it. Thanks, Saad.